back to ET Auto. I'm Himanshi Tiwari and we are joining you from the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. Right now I am here at the stall of Super Screws. Everything looks so bright, and right now I'm joined in by Samrat Kapoor, who is the Managing Director at Super Screws. Samrat, thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure.
The stall looks really red, bright.
Thank you.
Right now, Samrat, we are here at the Bharat Mobility Expo. You know, a lot of industry networking, collaborations are happening.
Yeah.
What are your expectations of this show?
This has been one of the best show till date for Super Screw, and very frankly for the entire automotive sector as well. Not only the vibe, but the vibrance, but the manufacturing capability competency of India. This was the silver lining on the cloud few years back, and this is, I would say, the unveil of Indian manufacturing capability. On the Super Screw role play for this participation, we are offering a complete solutions for localization, promotion of Indian manufacturing, and a global exposure. Indian manufactured products, but at a global level of cost competitiveness and global quality norms.
All right, so we are positioning India right now as a global hub for manufacturing,
Yes.
right? It also aligns with the Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat,
Yeah.
right? How much, like, what are you looking for yourself in the upcoming few years? आप कितना आत्मनिर्भर होना चाहते हैं?
So it is a very, very aptly you have described. As per our Honorable PM Modi ji's vision of 2047 Atmanirbhar Bharat, manufacturing is the base for that. Auto sector components a considerable contribution to our GDP and for the growth of the country. And I would say the wish and will to become a developed nation. Mobility is the one of the basic solution which we have to provide to all our Indian citizens. So not only make in India, but make in India and supply to the world. That is how I would say the vision aligns. So Atmanirbharta means, and for us, is sustenance, meeting Indian demands, and serving the world wide over.
Serving the world, of course, make in India, making for India,
Making
but
for
also
India,
for the other parts
for
of the
other parts
world.
of the world.
All right, Samrat, what are those latest products or innovations that you are showcasing at this event?
So this time we are having a special focus on the EV parts. So EV parts, I would say, are more aligned with sustainability, and as our name suggests, Super Screw. So we promote stronger, durable components. Also, this time we have a very big announcement. So at Super Screw, we have been able to finalize a sign off a joint venture with one of our Japanese manufacturers. It is a Mitsubishi Corp based in Japan. They have plants in Japan. It's almost a 6 decades old manufacturer of Japan. So they have plants in Asia, they have plants in United States. So this will be their Indian debut, and we join hands in hands together with them. And the specialty, the USP of this JV will be, again, as I mentioned, that parts in tandem with the global quality, and we are localizing the solutions, which probably even till date, manufacturers are dependent upon import route. So we plan and we remain focused to offer huge innovation to Indian customers here in India.
No, absolutely. You know, electrification, digitization, and localization.
Yes.
These are the key trends right now in the industry. But can you take me through all the products that you have been showcasing?
Sure.
Yeah.
So I'll probably start and focus on these products. These are fastener products basically for the automotive sector. Although at Super Screws, we are fastener manufacturer for electronics, automotives, construction industry also. So we manufacture a part which is as tiny as which you cannot even spot it from a naked eye. You need a zoom lens to even view it. And then we make the frame body suspension parts, which are where one part weight is more than maybe 2 kgs. So that is a diversity. So our prime focus in the complete product domain is offering, I would say, sustainable solution parts, which are axles. Our USP is that up till now, the old theory was manufacturing these parts in multiple processes, but we are absolutely utilizing the latest digital technology, and we are manufacturing it in all cold forging. So there is, I would say, reduction of multiple operations, efficiency is very, very high, and durability is far stronger. And all these finishes are again environment friendly.
Okay.
very, very compliant to sustainability norms.
All right, so sustainable manufacturing,
Yeah.
you are actually following all
Yes.
the ESG practices,
Yes,
right? So sustainability is at the core of Super Screws,
Yes.
isn't it?
yes, please. It is, and we always believed in giving, doing it back for the nature, back for the society. So apart and in line with our CSR norms, our ESG norms adherence is very, very high, and we follow it very, very strictly all across the verticals of entire Super Screw Group.
All right. In that stall, I can actually see Mitsuchi. You
Yeah.
just mentioned that you have partnered with
Yes,
this
yes.
Japanese firm,
Yeah.
right? What is this? What are these products all about?
So Mitsuchi USP, as I told, that Mitsuchi is into custom fasteners, and they are a Japanese manufacturer, serving reputed customers in the passenger car in Japan and in export also. So Super Screw and Mitsuchi together will be setting up various manufacturing plants here in India, and we will bring global quality and global product line very, very easily available in India.
All right.
So we have a very positive outlook on this.
All right, this partnership that you've been talking about actually goes well with the theme of the event, which is co-creating future
Yes,
automotive
yes.
value chains beyond boundaries, right? What is more for us in the upcoming few years from the Super Screws side?
So I'm very happy to share with you that we have very positive, aggressive plans. So we are having two verticals of growth path. One is enhancement in production manufacturing capabilities for existing parts, but on a very, very broader scale. And second is diversification. So this is just a sneak preview of our steps towards diversification. So at the moment, I can assure you that for the next Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2026, Super Screw will have multiple announcements more, and we remain committed to diversify ourselves and leverage the exact capability of, because I would say manufacturing, because we are in this business for 4 decades now. So we understand this business, we understand the landscape of India, how India has emerged. So we have seen it brick by brick. And in the last, I would say 5 years predominantly, there is a massive, huge upsurge. If I talk about density of automobile ownership, as far as our huge population is concerned, we have miles ahead of expectations, and this is only going to grow. So a quality manufacturer, a cost competitive manufacturer, and a manufacturer with vision, which we are bound to grow.
All right, well, Samrat Kapoor, thank you so much for being a part of this discussion.
Pleasure.
It was wonderful talking to you. You talked to us about Mitsuchi, your latest partnership, and which actually aligns well with the vision of this Bharat Mobility Global Expo. And of course, powering sustainable mobility is at the core of Super Screws. Thank you so much. It was
Pleasure is
wonderful
all
to
mine.
have
Thank you
talking
so
to
much.
you. And to our viewers, stay tuned for many more such videos only at ET Auto.